pork tenderloin, sous vide cooked and grilled on the barbecue. For this recipe I used pork tenderloin, and I got 2 of them. The seasoning is simple: garlic powder, MSG and black pepper. And it is important to season all sides, because we want maximum flavor. Now let's prep them for sous vide. I'm gonna use a bag and then put them both in. Now it's ready to be vacuumed. And I used the dry mode. Look at that go. And for safety, I always use a double seal, because I don't want the bag to rupture. That would be a shame of this beautiful meat. I put the sous vide steak on 75 degrees for 1 hour and 45 minutes. That should make it tender. Look at that pork loin swimming in his bath. I pair this pork tenderloin with a salad. I'm gonna use some mayo. And I use some vinegar. A little bit of honey, black pepper, pickles, onions, red onion. Let's mix this. I also use some garlic powder. I love these bags of mixed salad. You can buy those at the local store here. Now give it a final mix and it's ready. Put it aside for later. The barbecue is hot. Let's put those pork loins on. And they will go on for about 1.5 minutes each side until they have a beautiful color. Now look at that beautiful color. Now let's slice this. Let's look how it looks inside. Ooh, a beautiful color. And they're still so moist. Beautiful. This is gonna be good. For the plating, I start with the salad. Next to the salad, I put this beautiful pork tenderloin. And I boiled some eggs. Eggs and salad are good. And I use some leftover sauce. Now let's eat. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Like the video. Leave a comment if you liked it. And as always, see you next time.